Today we are presenting the Earth, a complex system. In order to study a system, we have to know all the elements that structure it and the associations between them. The human being is a system that is made of a number of organs and members. And only when these are functioning in a coordinated way, the human body is effective. It is impossible to understand the essence of an orchestra only by paying attention to the musicians performing and their instruments. It is the coordination they have that produces the beautiful music. A forest, a nation, the ecosystem in a coral reef, they are much more than the sum of all their parts. The concept of system in general is sustained on the fact that no system can exist completely isolated and will always be surrounded by external factors that can affect it. The universe is a complex system composed by physical laws, sometimes hard to understand. At the same time, we call solar system to all the planets that spin around the Earth, and it is made of gravitational laws that are essential for the sustainability of the system. Earth itself is a system, one of the most complex to exist, and we are going to talk about the different parts that structure it. The biosphere. It includes the flora, fauna, and of course, human activity. In other words, it is the layer composed by all the living things. The atmosphere. It is the place where matter exists in a gas state. It is the external layer of the planet. Its thickness is approximately of 500 kilometers that separate us from outer space. It has oxygen and carbon dioxide, which is necessary for the plant's process of photosynthesis. The hydrosphere. It includes absolutely all the water in the planet, whether in solid or liquid state. When it's in a solid state, it is called cryosphere, and we can find it in nature on top of high mountains, in the form of snow, or in either of the North or the South Pole. In liquid state, the cryosphere is divided in oceanic and continental, which are composed of bodies of water, for example lakes, lagoons, ponds, or running water like rivers, streams, etc. We can also talk about subterranean waters that run under the ground. The geosphere. It's a part of the Earth that consists of rocks. It is made of different layers of different thickness and composition. It is also called lithosphere. The great interest in environmental issues has made us understand the importance of having a global vision of the Earth. The living creatures, the ecosystem, the biosphere, the Earth, the universe, they are all complex systems which are made of an infinite number of relations between their components. When we somehow alter any of these systems, it is not easy to predict what will be the consequences. For that reason, the studies of the environment problems concerns many different sciences, such as biology, geology, physics, and chemistry, and other sciences that can be left out, such as sociology, economy, law, and pedagogy. Frequently, in the studies of these environmental problems, we are not going to find easy solutions for them. Sometimes, we are going to have the necessity to have a wide range of possible solutions. And in other occasions, there will not be a clear solution, and we will have to choose the one that adapts the best to the circumstances we are in. All of this happens because we are not working with simple systems. We are working with what its names tell us: complex systems.